Okay. Here the equation of the line passing through minus 4, 3, 1 parallel to the plane x plus 2y minus z minus 5 equal to 0 and intersecting the line is means this is the line yes. Here we want it's the equation here. So this is the line here passing to the point minus 4, 3, 1 here. Okay, and this line intersect to this line here, and the equation of this line is this here. They are already given here. X plus 1 upon minus 3 is equal to y minus 3 upon 2 is equal to z minus 2 divided by minus 1. This is a part of intersection here. And this line is parallel to this plane. If this line is parallel to the plane, then this line is perpendicular to normal to this plane here. So equation of the plane is they are already given x plus 2y minus z minus 5 equal to 0. Then normal n bar is equal to I plus 2j minus k I because x coefficient 1, y coefficient is 2, z coefficient is minus 1. Then this normal is given by I plus 2j minus k. Normal and the line both are perpendicular to each other. So part to find point A or point B. Okay. Therefore, take a solution. Letter e to the kita minus 4, 3, 1 be the given point here. Okay, and x plus 1 divided by minus of 3 is equal to y minus 3 divided by 2 is equal to z minus 2 divided by minus 1. Take this one as some constant t. Okay, with the given line. So therefore, any point lies on this line is any point lies on a line is minus 3 into t gives minus of 3t. Take a plus on right hand side here minus of 1. 2 into t becomes 2t. Take a minus 3 right hand side plus 3 here. And a minus 1 into t becomes minus of t. Minus 2 take right hand side it becomes a plus 2 here. Let us consider this one as b here. So b is equal to minus 3t minus of 1 2t plus 3 minus t plus 2 here. It is a point of intersection of this line and this line here. Consider this point B is this here. Then here AB is given by the vector AB is given by here. AB is equal to OB minus of V here. Means this minus of this here. Therefore this gives OB minus I minus 3t minus 1 minus 3t minus 1 minus of minus become plus 4 here plus 4 into I then plus then 2t plus 3 2t plus 3 minus of 3 here. So minus 3 into j plus then minus t plus 2 here minus t plus 2 minus of 1 into k. Yes sir, this is equal to minus 3t, 4 minus 1 becomes 3 plus 3 here into I, then plus 2t and 3 cancels here into j plus minus t but 2 minus 1 becomes plus 1 into k. This is the AB. The vector AB. Okay. Then this AB is parallel to the given plane here. Okay. AB is parallel to the given plane. Therefore, AB perpendicular to n bar here. Here n bar is normal to the plane here. Normal to the plane. And n bar is equal to 1I plus 2j minus k. 1I plus 2j minus of k. Therefore, here both are perpendicular, AB perpendicular n bar. Yes, use the dot product here. 3t minus 3 into 1 here. Therefore, 3 minus of 3t plus 3 into 1 plus 2t into 2 here. 2t into 2 plus minus t plus 1 here. Minus t plus 1 into minus of 1, that is equal to 0. Therefore, this into 1 becomes minus 3t plus 3 here. 2 2s are 4 plus 4t here. Then minus of minus become plus here. T minus of 1, that is equal to 0. Then 4t minus 3t becomes 1t here. Then 4t minus 3t, 1t plus t becomes 2t here. Is the 2t. Okay. Then 3 minus 1 becomes 2 plus 2, that equal to 0. Hence t is equal to minus of 1. The value of t is minus 1. Therefore, use here. Therefore, b is equal to minus of minus become plus here. Plus 3 minus of 1 here. Again minus 2 plus 3 and plus 1 plus 2 here. Because t value minus 1 substitute here. Therefore, this is equal to 3 minus 1 becomes 2 here. 3 minus 2 gives 1 and 2 plus 1 becomes 3 here. So, it is a coordinate of the point B here. Therefore, equation of AB. Therefore, equation of AB is, here coordinate of the point B is 2 1 3 here. 2 1 3. Here sir, x minus of minus 4 here divided by 2 minus of minus 4. 2 minus of minus 4 is equal to y minus of 3 here. Y minus 3 divided by, so 1 minus of 3. 1 minus 3 is equal to, then z minus of 1 here divided by, so 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 using a 2-point formula. Therefore, x plus 4 divided by 4 plus 2 becomes 6. Y minus 3 divided by minus 2 is equal to z minus 1 divided by plus 2 here. Or you can write this one as x plus 4 divided by 3 is equal to y minus 3 divided by minus 1 equal to z minus 1 divided by 1. Just multiplying both sides by 10. Multiplying both sides, each term by 2, we get this one here. Yes, first option is correct here. So the plane, so the intersection of the planes x plus y plus z equal to 1 and 2x plus 3y minus z plus 4 equal to 0 and parallel to the y-axis and also passing to the point here. Okay, meaning here they given two planes here, first plane and second plane. Then this is a plane here passing through the line of intersection of these two planes here. So the equation of this plane is given by equation 1 plus lambda equation 2 equal to 0. Then this is a plane parallel to y-axis here. Means normal to this plane here, perpendicular to y-axis, and direction cosines of y-axis are 0, 1, 0. Okay. Therefore, here required plane is x plus y plus z minus of 1 plus lambda into bracket 2x plus 3y minus of z plus 4 is equal to 0. Take this lambda inside the bracket here. So 1 plus 2 lambda. 1 plus 2 lambda into x plus 1 plus 3 lambda here. 1 plus 3 lambda into y and 1 minus of lambda. So plus here 1 minus of lambda into z minus 1 plus lambda into 4 here. So minus 1 plus 4 lambda, that is equal to 0 here. Take this one as equation number 1 here. This is a required plane, means this is a plane passing through the line of intersection of the given two planes here. Okay. Then here 1 plus 2 lambda, 1 plus 3 lambda, 1 minus lambda are direction ratios of normal to the plane here. So this is normal here. So their direction ratios are 1 plus 2 lambda. Then 1 plus 3 lambda and 1 minus lambda. Therefore, so n bar is equal to 1 plus 2 lambda I plus 1 plus 3 lambda into j plus 1 minus lambda into k is normal to the plane. Normal to the plane 1 here. This normal is perpendicular to y-axis here. Since plane 1 is parallel to y-axis, comma, so hence normal n bar is perpendicular to y-axis here. Perpendicular to axis. So for the direction cosine 0 1 0 or 0 1 0 are the direction ratios here. Yes sir, 1 plus 2 lambda into 0. Therefore 1 plus 2 lambda into 0 plus 1 plus 3 lambda. 1 plus 3 lambda into 1 plus then 1 minus lambda here. 1 minus lambda into 0 is equal to 0. This term becomes 0. This term becomes 0. Remaining only this one here. 1 plus 3 lambda is equal to 0. Hence lambda is equal to minus of 1 upon 3. So use this lambda in the equation 1 here. Therefore 1 becomes equation 1 becomes so 1 minus of 2 upon 3 into lambda. Then plus here 1 minus of 3 divided by 3 into here not lambda, it is x here, and here is a y. Then plus 1 plus 1 upon 3 into z here. Then plus minus of 1 minus 4 divided by 3 is equal to 0. Then 3 1s are 3f. 3 minus 2 becomes 1. 1 upon 3 into x. Then plus here. Then 3 cancels here. This becomes 0. So 0 y. Then 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1 becomes 4. 4 upon 3 into z. Then plus 3 1s are 3. Minus 3 minus 4 minus of 7 here. So minus of 7 divided by 3 is equal to 0. Multiplying both sides by 3, then we get x here plus 4z minus of 7 is equal to 0. It is a required plane here. Now we go on to substitute the values here. So substitute here. So 3, then 3 4s are 12 here, minus of minus 7. This is not equal to 0. Take a second point here, minus of 3 here. Then z value 4 means 1 here, z value 1, 1 into 4 becomes 4, minus of 7. Then again this is not equal to 0. Take this one here, put 3 here. Then x value is 8, y value is 2 here, 4 2s are 8 here, plus 8 minus of 7 that is equal to 0. Okay. So I repeat once again here. Put x value here. Okay. It is a 3 and the z value is a minus 1 here. So it gives a minus of 4 minus of 7 not equal to 0. Take a second one, put x value minus 3 and z value is 1. So write here plus 4 minus 7 not equal to 0. Then put x value 3 and z value is 1. 1 plus 1 into 4 becomes 4 and a minus of 7 here. So this equal to 0. Hence third option is correct here. Okay. So 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1 lies on the plane. 3 to 1 point lies on the given means required plane.